that, people! Happy New Year! I'm giving you my best wishes for 2023. I hope that this is gonna be an amazing year for all of us. What I'm doing today, in today's video, with this makeup look, I'm reviewing the Frosted Flake palette from Glamlite. Alright, let me start by applying my eyeshadow base and explain to you what's gonna happen here. First of all, I would like to mention that my eyeshadow base is gonna be from Concrete Minerals. This is the wrong one, that's why I'm not showing this to you. The white one, which is called Alabaster, this one. And basically today I'm gonna review the Frosted Flakes palette from Glamlite. This one right here, it's so beautiful, right? Because I had a poll here on YouTube at my YouTube community tab, and I asked you, what did you want me to review as the first palette of the year? This one, the Nikki Tutorials and Ninja palette, the other one from Glamlite, the ice cream, if I'm not mistaken, or the Barbie palette, again from Glamlite. Yeah, I know, a lot of Glamlite palettes, but this is what I got from my Black Friday, and I'm super excited to try them. And I had the poll for almost like 24 hours, and most of you said that you want to see a review for this palette. So here we go. What are we gonna do is a double cut crease, because I had one on Instagram and I haven't filmed a tutorial about it, and a lot of you were interested in how I have done this, so I thought, why not doing a tutorial about this technique but with different colors this time. If you saw this color scheme and you guessed that today we're going with a blue based eye look, yes, you are correct. I love blue, you know how much I love blue. So the first color for today is gonna be this one. It is called Go Getter, and it's a very nice dark blue. Basically, I would like to notice something. I have this amazing t-shirt. I mean, look at it, it's so cute. And then I have this cap with a penguin, and I'm gonna go with a blue look. I mean, it's my best day today. I'm so happy. Let me dive into this color and start applying very close to my lash line in order to give a lot of depth here in the middle. I don't know if you can see it here on camera, but this blue is amazing. It's so pigmented and extremely blendable. Well, the plan is to smoke it out in something lighter, this one, which is called Classic. But I think that if you don't want to use another color, you can just keep blending and you will basically have the same effect, because this blue is really awesome. It's extremely blendable, and here that I tried to experiment a little bit and I kept blending in, I feel that I don't even need to use something lighter. I'm gonna do so, but I just want to try it, and I just want to try as many colors as possible to give you a full review of this palette by the end of the video, but I don't think that you need it. Another thing that I would like to mention here is that you don't have to be very precise at this step, just because you're gonna blend everything and then you're gonna, or I am gonna use a wet wipe to clean some areas and then go with a cut crease. So I don't care to be absolutely precise, and you don't have to worry about it. It's just the first stage. Trust the process here. I know it sounds very difficult. It is very difficult for me to trust the process, but something good is about to happen, and I can almost promise about that. I'm about to add some shine before I cut my crease 2 times today, and I'm gonna go with this eyeshadow, which is called Frosted. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This palette, this whole idea with the cereals is just so beautiful. Although that I haven't tried these cereals, I don't even know if we have them available in Greece, because I'm not a very big cereal fan, I would say. I don't like eating breakfast in general, like especially when I'm waking very early, I just cannot eat. It's just a thing that I have. So especially when it comes to cereal and milk and very wet products and foods and stuff like that, it's so hard for me to eat, and I don't find any other time of the day that I can eat cereal. By the way, this color is just stunning. Can you see it? Can you see how beautiful the shift that it has appears on the eye? I mean, I'm in love. I don't know if I can find better quality blues than that, and blue is an extremely difficult color to be right and to be as beautiful as it is in the pan. Anyway, I was talking about me not eating cereals. I think we have Kellogg's for sure as a brand. I don't know if we have the Frosted Flakes specifically, like the sugar coated. I've never tried sugar coated. I don't know if they exist here in Sweden, probably they exist. I'm not that interested, to be honest. If you have tried them and if you feel that I'm missing out, please write a comment down below and then I might discuss with my boyfriend, say if I cannot eat them, can you eat them so I can just try them a little bit? Now, the most interesting part of the video, according to my opinion, is the part where I'm cutting my crease. Here we have a wet wipe, and since I'm having extremely hooded eyes, extremely for my opinion, okay? The trick here that I have found that is working perfectly with my eyes is to not close my eyes when I'm about to cut my crease. I'm using this brush because it has this end right here. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So what I'm doing is putting the wet wipe here. So I have a very, very precise tool, which is very soft also. So what I'm doing is I'm looking straight forward and then without having my eyes closed, I'm cutting at a point here and then here. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna try to keep it kinda in a fast forward in the video, so to understand what is the procedure. Alright, so this is the shape that we have after the cleaning. Now I'm gonna go with Pillowy's eyeshadow base and I'm gonna apply a small amount, something like that, on my hand. I don't need a lot because I'm only gonna go into these shapes and apply it in order to create a very nice base for the colors that are coming. And next I'm gonna take a quite small brush. Do I have that? Isn't it here at the clean brushes, or it needs me to clean it? I think I have a lot of brushes right now which are dirty and I have to clean them, but now it's not a good time not to find the brush that I want. Okay, I found this. This is on point, doesn't have a number, but I know that this is from Beauty Bay. I don't know if you can still find them. It's a quite old brush. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna make sure that I will mix a little bit my eyeshadow base so the full brush is kind of covered because I need quite a lot of precision. And then I'm gonna go. You know something? The plan here was to go with a matte orange and specifically Tony the Tiger, this one right here. But no, now that I see this shape that I have created, I feel that it's more proper to go with a shimmer and not go just with an all matte look. Like, I'm not an all matte girl, I like my shimmers. So I'm gonna go with this one right here. It is called Tiger Paw. It is very promising. I'm not the biggest fan of orange, to be honest, but I really want to try it. Maybe this will make me change my mind. Yeah, I think that the shimmery orange was actually a very good choice at this point. I like it so much, but I feel that I want to try more colors from this palette. I feel that until now this palette is truly amazing, but since I want to have a more full opinion, I'm gonna go with this one. It's a very nice golden. It is called Yumminess. I love this name, Yumminess. It's so awesome. And I'm gonna take a small brush. Again, I'm gonna take the same from Beauty Bay. Actually, I have this brush 2 times, so I find it very convenient for the looks that I'm creating. I'm gonna dip into the golden and I'm gonna continue from where I have left the orange, right here. Alright, I'm ready to move on to the bottom part of my eyes. First of all, I'm planning to start with a new gel liner pencil that I have from Aden. This is the 010. I don't remember the name of the shade because it doesn't show on the packaging, so I will just call it 010. I'm gonna apply it here at my waterline and then I'm gonna go back to the palette and I'm gonna try this eyeshadow, which is supposed to be a duochrome, and I really wanted some more space for this, but I had this shape in my head, so I wanted to make it work. So I'm applying this here at the bottom part. This is called Sweet Spark. It's so beautiful. It's kinda baby blue to purple. I don't know if you can see it. Let me do this for you. Is it helpful? Can you really understand the shift? If not, hope to see it on my eye. I am in love with how this look turned out. I'm in love with the palette, the quality of the eyeshadows, it's very nice. Now, I'm gonna turn off the camera, I'm gonna apply some false lashes, I'm gonna do the rest of the face makeup, and then I'm going back to chat a little bit about this palette and do the lips here with you guys. And now, it's time for the Greek word of the day. As you can see, the palette is related with cereals, that's why I'm gonna tell you the Greek word for cereals. So in Greek we say Dimitriaka. Say with me. Dimitriaka. Dimitriaka. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word Dimitriaka, or tell me the word in your own native language. And now it's time to do the lip makeup. For today I decided to start with this lip pencil. This is from NYX Professional Makeup Faux Black series in the shade Midnight. Nice. Then on top I'm gonna use this mini from Aden Cosmetics. It is called Titanic, and actually I bought this from Beauty Bay. I am extremely disappointed with Beauty Bay right now. I don't want to say anything because I want to see how the whole situation will do and how we will gonna solve this problem, but definitely I'm gonna inform you very soon, maybe with a new video about it. Anyway, back to relevancy, I'm gonna use this on top, and I'm thinking if I should go with a lip gloss or if I should take any shadow from this palette and then just give some extra shine to my lips. I'm not sure yet. If I'm gonna go with a lip gloss, I'm gonna take this one. This is from Glossy in the shade, I cannot find it, but it's a very beautiful light purple lilac lip gloss, and I love how it smells. Anyway, without any further talking, because you know me, I talk a lot and I need to do my lips right now and I keep talking. And in the end, I decided against adding extra lip gloss because the actual liquid lipstick had some shimmer, some micro glitter in its formula, so I felt that it's enough with the shine. I have a lot of shine on my face, I don't need anything extra, I'm fine. Now, let me tell you some things about the palette, let me give you my review. First of all, we're having a very cute palette with amazing packaging. I loved this collab idea from the time that I saw it. I mean, look at it, it's so beautiful. Give me a second here, I want to show you the full packaging with the actual cereal box, this one right here, which is so pretty. Unfortunately, I opened it this way and I don't think that I can take it back to its original condition, but it's fine. It's so beautiful. It has the "we're sure that you look great," which is amazing. It's super cute. It actually has these kinda nutritious values from the palette. It's 100% creativity, 100% fun, 100% great, and 15 shades. Actually, we're talking about 15 amazing shades. I'm super happy with the quality. It's the first time in my life that I'm trying Glamlite, and I have heard very positive comments. And yeah, I have to say almost only positive comments. Not almost, only positive comments. I don't have anything negative to say, nothing creased on my eyelids, and I'm wearing this makeup look for quite a lot of hours. I don't remember how many hours, but for sure more than 6 hours, and everything is perfect. I use this is a very beautiful blue which blends out perfectly. I'm in love with this eyeshadow, and then the metallics are so shiny. I love them. This duochrome, can't wait to create more looks with it. The blendability is there, the pigmentation is there. Actually, the actual color selection, the color story is so beautiful. It combines blues, and you know how much I love blues. Basically, it contains 10 different shades of blues, and then it combines it with orange. Such a great color combination, complementary colors. You can create looks like this. Well, the only thing that you cannot do with this palette is kind of blend the orange with the blue, because you're gonna end up with a brown, but I think even this will be fine to some specific makeup looks. And here you have even a brown if you wanna do something more down to earth. I would say I don't see this palette as the palette that I would choose for my down to earth looks, but it's so beautiful. I'm gonna definitely use it again and again. It's an amazing first impression from Glamlite. I have 2 other palettes from Glamlite and can't wait to try them after I saw this quality. Can't wait to try them, really. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Happy New Year again! Tell me, did you have a nice holiday? Did you enjoy your time with your family? Either you celebrated Christmas and holidays or not. Did you have a good time? I would be very curious to know about it. Please don't forget to let a comment down below telling me anything. What palette do you want me to review next? If you have a nice holiday, what are you planning to do within the new year 2023, New Year's resolutions, whatever you want to say. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time, and until then, bye bye!